Immobiliser fit, and it's a 2020 Bentley Bentayga secured with a ghost to immobiliser. So if a thief done a relay attack, copied the key, broke into your house and stole it, or in this case they jammed the customer's gates open, started scanning for the key, luckily they didn't get it because he had it in a Faraday pouch, but if he forgets one night, he obviously wants the ghost 2 there to protect him. So if a thief got this key in any way, shape or form, started it up, car's going to fire into life, but as soon as they put it in gear it's going to shut down and they're going to be unable to drive it away. We're going to get a load of faults that come up on the dash, obviously because the vehicle's stalled. This won't happen on a day-to-day basis. It's only if the customer makes a mistake or a thief tries to steal the vehicle. So if we select reverse, as you see, cuts out again. What the customer's got to do to start this vehicle is fire it up. Before they select a gear, pop their unique code in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a double flash from the indicators or the hazard lights. And now we've got that, we can select our gear. After 3 or 4 correct starts, if an engine light has come up, that will clear. But on a day-to-day basis, where you fire the car up, go through your code, wait for your double flash, and then select your gear, you won't see any errors. If the customer wants to change that code, what they'll do is keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, disarm it, get the 2 double flashes so the system knows it's them. Now we'll put our foot to the floor on the accelerator, repeat our code again, 1, 2, 3, 4 is what we have. When the indicators start to flash, we can lift our foot off the accelerator and teach it a new code. So for now we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get 3 flashes when our code's complete. And then one more time we'll just put that in, 1, 2, 3, 4, just to confirm our code. Now we'll get 2 flashes, which confirms it's gone in correctly, and we can turn the vehicle off. If you get 4 flashes during this process, it means you put the code in wrong and you need to start again. But now with that done, we fire the car up. As you'll see, if we put the old code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get no flash, and the vehicle's going to cut out if we select a gear, so we'll give it a second. Then we'll pop the new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash, we can select our gear and drive away. Once again, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. This system can also be put in service mode. The way you'll do that is fire the car up, prove that it's you with your code, system knows it's you, receive your double flash. Now we'll go to the driver's window, pull it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to get 5 flashes. This places the system into service mode. So now, without a code, Bentley have got the key, take it back to them for a service. They need to road test it or move it around the workshop. It's just a normal vehicle. As long as they don't take it on a long road test, they can select a gear, drive it around, do what they need to do. No need to worry about it stalling out. When you get it back, you're going to keep your foot off the brake, turn the ignition on with a press, get all your lights on, pop your code in as you normally would, receive a double flash, and now the system's active and back on. So what you'll do on your day-to-day basis with the Ghost Immobiliser on, you'll start the car, go through your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a double flash, select your gear and drive away. As you can see, we've got no faults. These only happen, as I said, when someone attacks the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2020 Bentley Bentayga with a Ghost 2 Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.